Now, let me show you something, Gotti. Niggas is not the same. Look at this. This is brand new from the ground up. All this flooring right here. $50 a box. You do the math. Brand new sink, toilet. Everything's from the ground up. Brand new, bro. Brand new everything. See this? This big old house. Building. All of this from the scratch up, bro. See, brand new cabinets and everything. Show you. Look at this, bro. These niggas is not on my level. Look at this. It's all brand new I'm doing. Big dog. All new installation, all new sheetrock. See what I'm saying, big dog? That's the third floor. Come back down to the second floor. Nice big old kitchen in here. Let's go down to the bottom floor. You see what I'm saying, big dog? All new piping and brand new HVAC system. That right there cost me $15,000.